Darren here from Travelvids.tv. Yeah, and you might be thinking, wow, he got to hang out at the beach whilst everyone's on lockdown. And we're all in the same boat, and also our income's also been decimated by current affairs. We tend to spend most of our time making videos about the travel industry and for the travel industry, and that's all changed. But what we did do a couple of years ago is we started creating online courses for ourselves and for other people to learn how to make videos for themselves. That obviously evolved, and it evolved quite a lot, and now what we're able to do is also help you build your own course, and from that obviously earn some income, because I think the world has changed. The days of us thinking that we have to turn up at a lecture hall, an auditorium or a classroom, that's changed now, and it's probably changed forever. Whether it's for the good or the bad, that's not for me to decide. But what is important right now is that a lot of educators and people of knowledge, their income stream is going to be affected by things that are completely out of your control. And so what we're going to do is we're going to run a daily YouTube live feed where you can learn how to build your own lessons and courses. So I'm going to put a link below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you're going to be able to follow our courses as they happen on a daily basis. For the next 2 or 3 weeks, we're going to be on that process of helping you build your online presence and your online courses and training material. So like I said, click on the link below, subscribe to our channel, follow us on a daily basis, and watch Dean as he creates videos and teaches you how to do the same. So I look forward to helping everybody out there, and good luck with your isolation. And yeah, I'm the lucky one. I'm sat at the beach, but I'll be heading home right now to start to create that material for you guys to learn how to make your own videos. Look forward to helping everybody out there.